Okay, so we've brought this tunnel asset into a Blender project. We've connected all the disparate items and joined them as one object. We have scaled it down and we've eliminated the quadruple vertices. So now we have a bunch of holes to deal with. And of course, there's a few different ways to deal with this. Uh, when you're dealing with things sort of ad hoc a little bit at a time, of course, you can grab whether it's vertex by vertex or whether it is edge by edge, you can select those items and push F to fill. And that's great if you're just doing a little bit here and there. The other thing, though, that we can do is we can use the fill holes option. So if I am in edit mode and I select all and I go to my mesh, I can go to cleanup and I can select fill holes. And voila, most of the holes are filled. Let's look this over and we can see that there are some holes that are not filled. So of course we've got to figure out what the reasoning is behind that. But if we look here, let's just look at plane mode and we can see that there seems to be some inconsistencies with these planes overlapping. Maybe there's a few extra vertices in there and so forth. So there's still definitely some issues to deal with. We're most of the way there, but we'll have to circle around next and figure out how to deal with some of that.